What's up, Flomies? My name is Julianna, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the bus driver. This is one of my favorite moves. So, to start, we're going to grab the Flowstar between two of the triangles, and we're just going to lay the seam across our palm. And I'm going to turn around so you can watch this. So, to start, we're just going to do a little flick, and we're going to be grabbing the Flowstar so my hands looks like this, but it's going to be like that. And when you let go, you want your fingers to let go. So it's gonna look like that. So you're gonna go like this, and then it'll spin. And the next thing that you wanna do is you wanna grab the Flowstar at about 4 o'clock. And then you're gonna bring the Flowstar all the way around, and then you're gonna let go at about 1 o'clock or 12. So 4 o'clock, and let go at 12. And then in between the 4 o'clock to the 12 o'clock, we're gonna add in our right arm, and then we're gonna grab it from 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock. And then we're just gonna rotate arms like that. So 4 o'clock to 12, 6 o'clock to 12. 4 o'clock to 12, 6 o'clock to 12. And in order to do this with your left, or on your left side, you're gonna be grabbing the Flowstar at about 7 o'clock, and then you're going to be letting go at about 11 or 12 o'clock. I really love this move because it teaches continuous motion, and you can keep it in place, or you can make larger circles, and you can just really play with the catch and release. So that's how you do the bus driver. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. Happy flowing!